Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on Meta Quest 2. This incredible experience requires a powerful gaming computer, as the Quest 2 does not run the game natively. You will connect your headset to your PC wirelessly, transforming your virtual reality experience. We will cover the essential hardware, software setup, and optimization tips to get you soaring through the skies. Get ready for an immersive flight. To enjoy Microsoft Flight Simulator in virtual reality, your PC needs robust specifications. We recommend at least 16 gigabytes of RAM to handle the game's demands. For graphics, an NVIDIA RTX 2000 series or AMD Radeon RX 6000 series card will provide a much smoother and more visually stunning experience. A fast processor, like an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7, is also crucial for optimal performance. Connecting your Quest 2 to your PC is straightforward. First, ensure your gaming computer is hardwired to your router with an Ethernet cable. This is critical for stability. Then, connect your Quest 2 to your router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. You can use either Meta AirLink, which is built-in, or a third-party application like Virtual Desktop to establish the wireless connection. Once connected, launch Microsoft Flight Simulator on your PC. Within the Games menu, you will find an option to enable virtual reality mode. After entering VR, it is essential to fine-tune your settings. Experiment with resolution, render scaling, and anti-aliasing to achieve a balance between stunning visuals and a smooth, comfortable frame rate. Enjoy your virtual flights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.